Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Testing whether a new drug impacts the progression of Parkinson's disease takes years, in part because the disease often advances so slowly. Many Parkinson's patients don't have any worsening of their symptoms over the course of a typical clinical trial, even without treatment. Now, Scripps research scientists have developed a tool that analyzes Parkinson's disease patients' genetic and clinical data to predict who is most likely to rapidly progress. The approach, described in NPJ Parkinson's disease, will let clinical researchers select the most at-risk patients and design shorter, more powerful trials to assess Parkinson's drugs, they say. If clinicians are able to enroll in trials only those patients predicted to progress, they can get much faster results and move this field along more quickly, says senior author Ali Torkamani, Ph.D., professor and director of genomics and genome informatics at the Scripps Research Translational Inns. Parkinson's disease is a progressive disorder of the nervous system and affects about 1 million people in the United States. However, the order and speed at which these symptoms worsen varies greatly between people. Over a single year, for instance, many patients won't get worse, making it difficult and time-consuming to study the effectiveness of drugs at slowing this progression. They analyzed the progression over 12, 24 and 36 months of patients enrolled in two existing cohorts, the Parkinson's Progression Markers Initiative and the Parkinson's Disease Biomarkers Program. In all, the team used data including genetics, clinical exam information, brain scans and treatments, on 879 patients. This model worked by combining different aspects of comprehensive disease profiling, says Torkamani. However, the researchers hope that being able to choose progressors for clinical trials makes it easier and faster to pinpoint these kinds of drugs as the field moves forward. Right now, these clinical trials are large and tend to take 2 to 3 years, says Torkamani. We're hoping to empower smaller trials that are on the order of a 1-year time frame. The Scripps research scientists also plan to expand their model to try to predict other aspects of Parkinson's. For instance, can genetic markers predict which Parkinson's patients will develop psychosis or depression? The same approach they took in the current study, integrating clinical and genetic information, could also be useful in analyzing the progression of other neurodevelopmental disorders. This work was supported by funding from Takeda Development Center Americas, Inc., and the National Institutes of Health, R01HG010881. Picking the fastest progressing patients to speed Parkinson's disease clinical trials. Science Daily, the 10th of November 2022. ift.tt/mr0tbz1. Scripps Research Institute. 2022, November 10. Picking the fastest progressing patients to speed Parkinson's disease clinical trials. Science Daily. Retrieved November 10, 2022 from ift.tt/mr0tbz1 Scripps Research Institute. Picking the fastest progressing patients to speed Parkinson's disease clinical trials. Science Daily. https://ift.tt. Mr. 0 TBZ1. Accessed November 10, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.